Good day, folks. Welcome to Best Trade Setup. And in this video, I will be taking you through the previous week's trades from the second, my bad, from the 29th of August to the 2nd of September 2022. Let's get right into it. Here we have our first trade. And if this is your first time here on this channel, please refer to the first video that I made, which goes into details as to the process that I take when I determine when to enter a trade, specifically the best trade setup. I do have other trade setups that I use, but for now, I'm going to concentrate on this one. And as time goes on, I will show you the other setups that I have in my arsenal. Now, let's get back to this first trade. As you can see here, we have price stepping into the 5 minute order block. And then that is our first confirmation. Our second confirmation is the sweep of this level, and every single sweep brings with it an M pattern or a W pattern. In this case, it's an M pattern. Now we have three confirmations. Our fourth confirmation is price tapping into the 1725 level, and our fifth confirmation is this bearish engulfing candle. An extra confirmation, look closely here, we have a bull candle, a bear candle, a bull candle, and a bear candle, forming an M pattern. And if you go on the line chart, you will see it even clearly. So six confirmations. Now you may wonder why I entered the trade here. I just wanted a better R&R on this trade. And also, when I got on the charts, I did realize that price had made a significant move down here, which lowered the risk to reward level to less than 1 hour. So I waited for a better trade entry and it presented itself right here. Stop loss over here and take profit at the low of the day. And as you can see here, my stop loss got taken out. And that's fine. Not every single trade system is 100%. Also, mind you, when I took this trade, I did a set and forget. So I wasn't really monitoring the trade when all of these things happened. In this specific trade here, we were given a second chance trade. And by that, I mean when price does a sweep of the stop loss level used in the first entry. A sweep or a fake out presents a second chance entry in this situation. And the thing is to enter immediately after the candle that does the sweep or the fake out closes, and your take profit would be the same as the initial first trade. I will make a video later on second chance trades just to show you that indeed I'm not just looking at this at hindsight saying that I would have entered here, because that doesn't serve me and it doesn't help me become a better trader. But I do have loads and loads of charts where this such scenario has happened many a times, and the second chance trade even offers a better entry as compared to the first trade. So now I accept the loss of the first trade, so we keep it moving. The second trade is this one here. We have a sweep of this level and a W pattern, two confirmations. Price tapping into the 15-minute order block, which is the upper yellow line. That's our third confirmation. Price reacting off of this numbers level, 1730. That's our fourth confirmation. And our fifth confirmation is this bullish engulfing candle. Now that's five confirmations. Let's see how price plays out. By the way, for me to make a decision on a candle being engulfing is when the body and the wick are above the previous candle's body and wick, and that's exactly that we see in the situation. And as you can see here, the stop loss got hit again. That's okay. If any of you have listened to Mark Douglas, he does state that in any trading plan, any trading system, the distributions of the wins and the losses is random. What matters is the overall performance of your trading strategy. So even if you have two losses in a row, that's fine. Just keep at the strategy that you're using, and eventually the probabilities, the mathematics will take care of itself. And that's our second trade of the week on a Tuesday. And here is the third one. We have price here making a fake out. And with every fake out, it's an M pattern. So we have two confirmations. And if you notice, price is actually reacting off of this quarter level being our third. And we have price tapping into the order block, and that's our full confirmation. And if you take a closer look at this wick here, it does a sweep above this level. That's our fifth confirmation. And with every sweep, we get an M pattern. That's our sixth confirmation. So immediately when this candle closes, this one with the wick, is for us to enter cells. So I managed to put in cells at this level and the take profit being here. This is how it looks on the 15-minute time frame. And as you can see here, price did more than what I had expected, went beyond the take profit level. And that concludes our third trade of the week based on this setup. Now, a recap of the trades this week. I took three trades. There were three trade opportunities based on the best trade setup. I took three of them and only managed to gain one win from all the three trades and two losses. I risked 1% per trade, so I lost 2%, but then I gained and made a little bit more on that one win that we had on Thursday last week. Now, the way I keep track of my trades is not just merely by numbers. And I'd advise all of you to not just keep numbers in your journals. Also, document your thought process before, during, and after a trade. That allows you to look back and understand your mindset when it came to analyzing your trades, to taking those trades, and it gives you a better perspective as to what needs to be improved in your trading process. Now, folks, this concludes my presentation to you. I hope you learned something from this video, and remember that anything is possible as long as you put your mind to it. Have a good day, have a good night, wherever you are in this world. Cheers.